For me, fly fishing it's my happy place. It's a place where I always feel at peace. The water rolling over the rocks, the wind in the trees. Having that opportunity to share that with people is just an absolute privilege. As a destination, this region is amazing for a fly fisherman. We have a huge selection of freestone rivers, we have alpine streams, we have creeks, we have lakes, all of which have a very, very healthy life of rainbow and brown trout. It's some of the best fishing in the world. We can capture 5 or 6 different streams or waterways to catch that trophy fish. With every season, a river changes and brings forward new challenges and great rewards. A lot of people think fly fishing is a difficult thing to do. I believe that fly fishing is simple in its character, but complex in the challenges it can put before us. And for me, that's why I love the sport. Get out there and experience this beautiful region for yourself.